The last time we made a video on the gcam mod for the Poco F1, we were unable to get the portrait mode to work, but we did promise that we would update you just in case we eventually did get a working version of gcam with portrait mode, and good news, we have found one. This is a new gcam APK that you'll have to install, so I recommend you remove any previous or existing installations of gcam before proceeding, and we'll include a link below to download the APK. The camera interface is pretty much similar like any other Pixel port. We suggest not tweaking the settings much as it could result in crashes and inconsistencies, and the slow motion mode also doesn't work well and will crash the app if you select it. Although the settings shows support for 4K with stabilization, you get unstabilized 4K videos, and believe me, we did try it. Now onto the main attraction, the portrait mode. It works both with the front and rear camera. The blurring algorithm is amazing and there's great amount of detail and sharpness captured on the subject. There's a slight crop just like you would see on the Pixel phones, but even with that the detail resolved is truly amazing and makes full use of the Poco F1 sensor abilities. These comparison shots would show you the difference. We try to replicate the portrait mode on objects as well, but doesn't unfortunately apply the blur. Even on subjects, it seems at certain angles it doesn't detect the subject and fails to apply the portrait mode. It seems to look for eyes, and when it sees it, the portrait mode is definitely applied. I would definitely recommend this to anyone who loves taking portraits. Do share your photos across social media with #RevAtlas. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next one.